life gets heavy, I know it's true.
What's up, beautiful babes? Your girl, Sweet Angel. Welcome back to the channel if you're one of my OGs. Welcome to the channel if you're new. And the other thing, if you're new, I can't call you a beautiful babe if you have not subscribed. So go ahead and subscribe to the channel. You'll be glad you did. And it don't cost you a dime, but you'll get a whole lot of right here at Beauty by Sweet Angel. Listen, y'all, I've been hard on my grind. Your girl is getting it in, making sure that she dropped these pounds. And speaking of dropping pounds, I want to thank my sponsor today, which is the Coldest Water. They have been helping me do what I need to do, because guess what? Everybody needs some water, absolutely. And before I start talking a whole lot, I need to drink me some right now. Ooh, refreshing. Woo! I didn't want to turn that loose. Oh my goodness. Yes, indeed. Thanks a lot to my sponsor today. Look down in the description box. Y'all excuse my dirty glasses, but you know I have been, honey, I've been working. I have been working on some miracle anti-aging stuff for y'all, and today's is very simple, y'all. This is a banana anti-aging face mask. Now y'all know Stella got her groove back, but y'all know one thing about Stella. How did she get her groove back? Because she got her glow back. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
Beautiful babes, so are you ready to get your skin glowing and firm? Well, this is one of those masks that you're going to love. Number one, it's easy. It's very easy. All you'll need is 2 ingredients. Very handy, easy ingredients. Let's talk about it. First, bananas, also known as nature's Botox, contain super wrinkle-fighting nutrients that help fade age spots and prevent fine lines and wrinkles from forming. How about that? Coupled with other wrinkle-busting kitchen ingredients, you can gently nourish, exfoliate, and protect mature skin. And that ingredient that we're putting with this is castor oil. Castor oil is a vegetable oil. It comes from the pressed beans of the castor oil plant and is used in many cosmetic and skincare products. Its properties are also useful for reducing facial wrinkles. The antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties of castor oil make it useful in reducing acne. Ricinoleic acid can inhibit growth in the bacteria that cause acne. Castor oil is also rich in other fatty acids. These can enhance smoothness and softness when applied to the facial skin. Now, let me tell you how easy this is. We're just going to take half of a ripe banana and mash the pulp into a paste. We're also going to make use of the peel. We're going to scrape the inside of the peel because it contains vitamin C and vitamin E. They also contain potassium, zinc, iron, and manganese. These nutrients can calm inflamed skin and reduce acne breakouts. Furthermore, banana peels contain lutein and carotenoids, which are fat-soluble compounds that help fight inflammation and acne breakouts. Once the banana is mashed and you add in 1 tablespoon of the castor oil, just mix it well. Very simple. Let's go ahead and clean our face off, and then we're going to get ready to apply this amazing mask. So now that the face is clean, let's go ahead and apply the mask. Do this in gentle circular motions. Hey, this is a great time to use your hands. Not only will this benefit your face, your neck, your chest, but go ahead and rub it on your hands as well. Just make a little fun of it, okay? Now leave on for 15 to 20 minutes. Now your skin will absorb everything it needs naturally. When done, after the 15 to 20 minutes, rinse your face with water and again, pat the face dry. Do this daily, twice a day, evening and in the morning, as often as you like. These ingredients are super skin friendly. Now get ready to glow it up and also have firmer skin with those bananas. There you go. Oh my gosh, this mask is so amazing. Y'all, my hands feel so silky soft. My face is so moisturized. If you're looking to combat those wrinkles, fine lines, you want glowing, firm skin, this is it. And there you go, beautiful babes. Didn't I tell you? Very easy, very simple. Now, if you don't have all of the ingredients, try the banana by itself. Try the castor oil by itself. When you get the two together, use them both. Thanks, beautiful babes. I'm out of here. I appreciate you all. Y'all keep at it, and I thank you so much. And don't keep me a secret. Keep doing what you do. And that's sharing me with your world. Thank you so much. Bye.